Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for this video, we're going to be using my medium square soft gel full nail covers. These are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'll be sure to have the link to them down below. But all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out and making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. I say it in almost every video, but if you're new to my channel and you have problems shaping your nails like I do, and the nail process just takes a little bit too long for you, try these out. They just cut your nail process in half and they completely eliminate shaping. Alright, so for our nails, I'm going to be using Polygel in this video, and I'm using the Model 1's Polygel in the shade Light Apricot. This is one of my favorite Polygel shades. It's just the perfect nude for me personally and my skin tone. So all I'm doing is going in my dapping dish over in the corner to the top left. I just have some alcohol and I'm using a Model 1's Polygel brush. And I'm just putting a pea-sized amount in my full soft gel nail cover and thinning it out, applying it wall to wall. You just really want to make sure that your cuticle area is thinner than the rest of the nails. And also you want to make sure that you're looking sidewall to sidewall, moving your full nail cover around and just making sure that you fully are covering that. But once you apply it to your cuticle, if any excess gets along the cuticle area or on the sides of your nails, you do want to be sure to remove that before curing. So, you guys have probably seen this process a million bajillion times if you're not new to my channel. So it's pretty easy, same process as always. I do apologize for any background noise that you might hear. I have my windows open because it is getting so hot here in Pennsylvania. But yeah, I'm just going in and putting my Polygel in my full nail covers, and I will be back. Oh, I also did forget to mention I do multiple nails at once, and then after I finish my forefingers, I put my hand in the UV lamp for a good minute to 30 seconds actually, and then I do my thumb separately. After you finish applying all of your nails, now we're going to go in with the lint-free wipe and some more alcohol and just wipe down our nails before we begin filing. My nail file here is a square 80/80 grit nail file. Well, really rectangle, I guess, but it's a square tip 80/80 grit nail file, and I absolutely love it. I recommend them in all of my videos. If you guys don't know, now you know. Do not use those 100/180 grit nail files. Go on Amazon, purchase these. I believe I got a pack of 50 of them for like $7.99. It was an unbelievable deal, and I'm pretty sure it was like on Black Friday, but regardless, they're still super affordable, and they're super easy to use. Full nail covers, like I said in the beginning of the video, they do all the shaping for you, so this part is very minimal. I'm really just going in and just perfecting that tip because I like a really sharp square with really nice sharp edges. So for polish, for my nail design, we're going to be doing an outline French tip. This is very hard to do on camera. I'm just giving you a warning right now. But I went in with this model, I went in with a Beetles and a MAKARRT black polish, and I mixed them both. To be honest, you could probably find, I would recommend using a black paint, like a black nail paint instead of a gel polish like I did, just because I had to kind of go over it twice to make it like pure black. So I would recommend trying to find like a gold painting gel over a gel polish, because I had to do kind of thicker lines so I could get that really deep black pigment. So yeah, now I'm going in with a nail art brush. This nail art brush, these are purchased off of Amazon, and I absolutely love them. It came in a set of like 5 double-ended brushes, and I believe they were on the pricier side. I think they were about 15 bucks, but they're super worth it because they give you the perfect French tip, and they're just very good, high quality brushes. Like I said, doing this outline French on camera is just so hard for me because I don't know about you, when I'm doing French nails, like I'm right on it. I need to have it right in front of my face, so I'm having to do this like far away, and I had to make sure my nail's in the monitor. So if it's kind of shaky and my nail, it doesn't come out the greatest, just know that that's the reason. But I do go in with that Polygel brush again and some alcohol, and I clean up any excess that may have gotten on my actual skin. And yeah, it's super easy to do it. Like I said, it was just hard for me to do this on camera. But this is actually a very easy nail design. It just does take a little bit of time and a little bit of patience. So now I'm going in and just filing my nails down again. Whenever I do French or any type of design outline French, I always go in and file again afterwards, just because it really helps you get that nice, really just sharp square, nice edges. So I definitely recommend doing that. Do not forget that step. But lastly, I'm going in, second to last actually, we're going to go in with a top coat. This is by Model Ones. Wow, this is the Model Ones video. This is by Model Ones as well. I absolutely love their top coat, and this bottle is huge. You get so much top coat. This is not a no art top coat. This is just a regular gel polish top coat, but I love it. It's my favorite. It keeps my nails shiny. Like, you know how some top coats go dull? Not this one. So I absolutely love it. Definitely recommend it. And here is the actual last step, cuticle oil. This cuticle oil is available. Actually, I believe I only have one more left. I do think that this one did sell out. But this is my rose cuticle oil, and it's ultra hydrating. I absolutely love it. If there's any left, I'll be sure to leave the link down below. But here are my final nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.